Do you know how to express your opinion in Spanish? You will after watching this video. Hola y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. I am Juan, el profesor de español, the most beautiful language in the world. Do you agree? If not, what do you think about Spanish? If you can't say what you think about Spanish or anything else for that matter, then watch this video because today you will learn how to express your opinion in Spanish. Whether it's something good or bad, popular or a little infamous, you will learn very important chunks to express your beliefs and these beliefs like a native. Acompáñenme. Knowing how to express opinions in Spanish will help you go into deeper conversations and have a rich cultural experience. First, let's learn the basics about how to express your opinion. Yo pienso que. Me parece que. Yo creo que. Yo opino que. Chunk alert! In Spanish, to opinion is expressed as a verb. So this sentence literally means I opinion that. That sounds a little weird in English, right? This goes to show that you can't always translate directly between English and Spanish. And you don't even have to. You know that yo opino que is correct. So instead of always inventing your own sentences in Spanish based on literal translation from English, just learn yo opino que by heart and use it every time you have to give your opinion in Spanish. 100% guarantee it works. You have my Spanish speaking native word. Want to know more about chunks? You should definitely click the link in the description box. We have a free Spanish chunking training on our website where you'll learn how we use the chunking method to have our students speak Spanish quickly and without complications. No grammar rules or long vocabulary list needed. Now that you know how to state your opinion, a way to engage the other person in a conversation could be to ask them what they think. So let's see some ways to do that. Yo pienso que el fútbol es un gran deporte. ¿Y tú? Me parece que hoy hay mucho frío, ¿no crees? Yo creo que el 2021 será un gran año. ¿Tú qué opinas? Yo opino que si te suscribes a nuestro canal aprenderás español muy rápido. ¿Estás de acuerdo? And yes, that last one is not only an example but an actual opinion. By subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell, you'll get 5 free weekly Spanish lessons. So I'm sure your Spanish will get much better by doing so. So make sure you subscribe right now. Now my favorite part, disagreeing. Yes, you can have a nice, linear, dull conversation agreeing to everything. Boring. Best way to make friends and have fun in a conversation, in my opinion, is to disagree. There are some chunks you can use to partially agree with an opinion, so more about that further in the video. But first, let's learn how to properly disagree in Spanish. No estoy de acuerdo. Por supuesto que no. Sí, pero estás equivocado. Te odio y tienes mal aliento. That one is joking. Please don't use that. Seriously, don't. You're gonna get me in trouble. Don't use it. Okay, so if you're talking to Latinos, you'll notice stuff like politics, religion, or culture can be very important to us. So, as I said before, si la conversación se pone un poco complicada o es un tema sensible, you can always step out and try to get to a middle ground with the other person. If that's the case, then you can use the following. Entiendo tu posición, pero estoy un poco de acuerdo. Sin embargo, por una parte, por otra parte, Another thing you have to keep in mind is we Latinos can be very persuasive. So don't be surprised if one of these conversations you actually change your mind and have to use one of these. Es un buen punto. No lo había visto de esa manera. ¿Sabes qué? Creo que tienes razón. No sabía eso. Pienso igual. Así que, ¿qué opinas? Do you think you can start expressing your opinion in Spanish now? Remember, usually you'll be talking about things you like and dislike. So the next video you should watch now is my video about the verb gustar, which means to like, to make your conversations in Spanish even more interesting. Just click the image you'll see right now on the video and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Adios. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share this video with your friends.